Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change this profile picture on Rocket League. So first of all, you're going to go to your browser and you're going to go to the BakkesMod. So you can go to BakkesPlugins.com and just to download it, you're just going to press download BakkesMod right there at the top, simply like so, and save it. After that, you want to go ahead and go through installation of it. I already have my BakkesMod. It will look like so. Now, after you will have BakkesMod, you will need a plugin for this to work. So you need AlphaConsole. So it will be on the top plugins. You will see it here. And what you need to do, you need to open up BakkesMod, make sure it's opened, and it should be injected. Now you're going to press install with BakkesMod and open plugin installer like so. Now this will open up and you will see plugin has been installed and it was successful. Now we can close everything. You need to press F2 or F2 in order to open up the BakkesMod menu. And after that, you will see your plugins, almost the last button, and you will see AlphaConsole. So now you want to press toggle AlphaConsole menu and this will open up. And here at the top, you will see profile, click on it. And here you will see avatar textures. So as you can see, I can simply change it to the AlphaConsole or to the one I already have, just like so. So now to upload your picture, this is a really important step. You're going to press open directory. And as you can see, I have my profile picture here. What you need to do, you will see only these two. So you need to go ahead and copy the textures package.json file. So just press copy and paste it right there. And you can rename it if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like so. Now what you also need is a profile picture. So to get a profile picture, I'm going to show you how to do this on Canva. So on Canva, you need to choose 400 times 400 pixels. So now on Canva, I'm just going to go ahead and generate some images. So now, once your picture has been successfully done, you want to name your design and download it as PNG. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and upload your PNG to this folder, Avatar Textures. And what you need to do now is open up a textures package, one which you have pasted with a notepad. So open with notepad. After that, you will see here a name, so you can rename it as you wish, XYZ, for example. And you need to, where it says AC logo, as you can see, the same as this one, PNG, you need to write down this specific name. So for me, it would be design. And you need to make no mistake here, because otherwise it will not work. After you've done that, you want to press File and Save, close it, close this one. And now you need to go ahead and reopen AlphaConsole. So I'm just going to go ahead and close Rocket League and BakkesMod and open up it again. Now, once you're relaunched, go ahead, open up BakkesMod settings, press on plugins, AlphaConsole, again, menu. And what you need to do now is press on your uploaded image, and here you have it. It now has changed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.